Alright, so in today's video, we'll be starting our episode, our very first episode on apps you didn't know you need. So this episode is episode 1. And for today's app or Windows app, we have Listary. So what is Listary? Listary is basically an app that helps you search files way faster on your PC. It helps you access files way faster. Aside that, it also does this. So you know that point where you want to install some let's install okay, let's say push where you want to do this. So you have to go and start looking for the folder where you have what you want to upload. Now notice that what's open here is excuse me, desktop. But if I go to my file manager and now I have download open and I go back here, see it switches automatically to downloads. So basically you can open you go to any website or any app and you're like, okay, you are trying to find your folder. You can just go to your folder where your file explorer where you already have it open, then just go back and it will open that place instantly for you. And all you just need to do is select what you want to upload and upload. Now, let me use the file explorer you might be familiar with, which is this one. So it works for all file explorer. Okay, now let's see. Click here again. Now notice desktop is open right here. But if I go here and I say Hebronmimam, and I come here and I go here, you see it goes to that folder. So any file explorer you have would work. So it doesn't have to be the one I'm using. But the one I'm using, and another video I will talk about it. But for today, we are talking about Listary. Now, let's say you want to find something while in this file explorer. You know the name of what you're looking for, but you don't know where you kept it or forgotten where you kept it. So what you do is you press Ctrl twice on your keyboard, and then it opens the dialog box here for you to search. So I can search, and you see it searches in real time and it's very fast. Another thing I like about it is you can be specific. Let's say you want to search for a PDF, you can say PDF and you start typing the name of the PDF. You then be looking for PDF files. You can say folder and start typing the name of the folder. You can say JPEG and start typing the name of the JPEG. You can say PNG and start searching the name of the PNG. So just like that. So let's go back to Listary now. Or you can just open your Listary app and then search from here. So let me see. I'm searching for Hebronmimam plus. Sorry. And it is searching in real time. That's how fast it is. So you click and it opens that folder for you. Click and it opens that folder for you. So for if you use like I said, I'll talk about file explorers I use that are not your default file explorers. There are different of them. Let's say I go to the one which I use is directly opens. If I click on Control twice, you check down here, that's where it opens. But on this, it doesn't work that way here. Okay. If I click twice, it opens it. So if I'm searching Alpha, then opens the folder. But if you are in a different file explorer, like maybe one commander, Listary, file commander, or file pilot, and you do this, it opens it down here for you to make your search. All right. So how do you get it? Like you see, they have a free and paid version, but I'm using the free. The listry basically gives me all I need for now. So how you get it is you go to listry, you just search listry.com. And you just download and install for free. You can also set listry. Yes. You can click on options to control the shortcuts for your file search. So go to hotkey and you see show listry. Press Ctrl twice. You can change that if you want. Quick search, Ctrl G. Doesn't work for me probably because Ctrl G is attached to something else. So basically you can change your shortcut for using listry for you. Hope this was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and share. See you in our episode of 2, or see you in our episode 2 of apps you didn't know you need. Bye-bye.